Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add the logo on Odoo website. So guys, what you have to do is just go to click this option website and click the modify, and from here click your logo, and you can customize your logo here. As you can see here, you have background and you can write your border size, and you have colon and shadow here, as you can see here. And you have different option guys to customize your logo design, and you can upload image your own logo. You can add the text here with your image. You can add a simple text, as you can see here, and you can drag your image from your mobile or from your computer from here, and just click this option and you can add the element here, as you can see here, and you can change the format from pixel, and you can upload your image on your logo just as a logo. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Just if you want to upload image, click here your image and choose any image from here.